Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am going to join you with a makeup tutorial today, which I have not done in a while, so I'm super excited. So stay tuned. So y'all know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while, so this will be a voiceover, but I got some new hair, as you can see, and I wanted to get myself together, take some pictures, film myself a little bit, look good for my hubby. And yeah, so I want to take you guys on the journey and just have a little chit chat, get ready with me, and yeah, see what y'all been up to, and y'all can see what I've been up to. So let's get to it. Hey you guys, so I am back with another makeup tutorial. I am really excited to film this video and get this video out for you guys. This is just a very soft glam, I guess, that I am achieving to go take some pictures with my husband. So my eyebrows are already completed. I use my Benefit Brow Wiz, I believe it's called, or Precisely My Brow, actually, that's what it's called, to fill in my brows. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo concealer to outline and clean up my brows. I'm also going to use that same concealer in a lighter shade to be the base for my eyeshadows. Because it's fall, I kind of wanted to stick with some fall colors, nothing too bright, nothing really like color impactful, just something more neutral, toned down a little bit for me. So I started with a eyeshadow that was pretty much my skin tone, so it would blend over that base that I put, and then I went in with like a burnt orange into the crease, which you can see on camera, but I did not apply that much. I also took a darker brown, more of like an espresso brown, and applied that to the inner eye and the outer eye. And I am going kind of for like a halo look. So I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow. It's like a bronze color. And I'm going to just put that in the middle of my eyelid. And I really, really like this because it is a really nice and natural shimmer versus something that's super pigmented and it's like chunky glitter. This is really smooth and nice. I got it from Marc Jacobs at the Sephora store. So I haven't really been into the wing liner lately for actually probably the better part of a year. And I'm just going to line my eyes a little bit just to hide the lash band for my false lashes. But nothing too extravagant, just something thin, quick, and easy. Also lately, I've been going for a really like natural lash, nothing too heavy, dramatic. Dramatic is not always bad, but just for what I was going for, I didn't want anything just to take over my entire eyelid, you know, just something simple. So I'm priming my face with my favorite primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip. I have raved about this in so many videos, so I won't rave about it in this video, but I'm telling you guys, I've been using this for a while and I still feel the same way about it. I really like it a lot. But other than that, as I rub this in my face, I just want to encourage you guys to, especially in the time that we're living in right now, and all the things that are going on in the world, not just, you know, the country we live in. There are so much things going on, and I feel like if you have a relationship with God, it is time to strengthen that relationship. I mean, take it from 1 to 100, not from 1 to 10, 1 to 100. Starting to spend more time with Him by praying and reading your word and asking God what He wants you to do in your life and follow those directions. I mean, it is important because our life was designed to do that and follow His purpose for us. So just remember that. I mean, if you don't know how and where to start, leave me a comment below. We can chat about it. We can talk about it and help each other out, because that's what we're here for, to witness to one another and help one another make it to heaven. So, moving on with a makeup look. For my foundation today, I use the NARS foundation, which has been my favorite foundation since it launched. I still go back and forth with other foundations, but this is really, really my go-to. I am using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to highlight the high points of my face and just to blend that out. And then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Honey translucent powder to go ahead and just set the face. I'm not going to bake. I literally just apply a little bit and dust it away. I think baking is pretty much through. I don't know anyone else who bakes anymore. I don't bake anymore. It's just an extra process in my makeup look that I don't feel necessary to take. But anyways, moving on. Here, I'm just applying a little bit of a highlighter. I'm pretty sure I use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. And I just mix the two generously and just apply it on the high points of my face. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in Summertime Wine to apply to the apples of my cheeks. And I have mentioned previously as well about the blush. I'm so into it. I will even wear blush if I'm not wearing a full face of makeup, because it just makes you just look nice, awake, alive, and kind of like happy and cheerful when you're blushing, because that's what happens usually when you're blushing. You're kind of like happy, cheerful, kind of shy, and then you blush. So I think blushing just kind of like naturally gives that, and I like it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of black to my waterline just because I did add shadow. And then I'm going to just set my face with the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray, which is absolutely wonderful, just like the primer. So for my lips, I am going to just hydrate my lips because they were a little crusty and dry, just to be completely honest. You can use whatever you want, Vaseline, lip gloss, whatever that you use to hydrate your lips, Carmex, all that good stuff. For my lips, I wanted to do something super neutral. I'm using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut just to line my lips. And I'm going to fill it in with a Juvia's Place lipstick. And honestly, that is going to conclude the look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more makeup videos, give this video a thumbs up. Give me a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. And we will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Stay safe and be blessed.